Alright guys, the Handyman here, and today we're gonna mount a TV. And right now I'm just taking out the parts off the box, part by part.
Artlist.io.
That's the TV mount itself. And right here is just instructions, and there's the QR code so you can see the video for the brand On. And that's the name of the brand of the TV mount. Just scan that QR code and it'll show you how to install it step by step. And right now I'm just taking out the brackets off this TV stand so I can take this TV off and start putting the pieces together. And yes, this landed on my foot and it hurt a lot. Alrighty, now that we got this TV off, we're gonna sit it down, lay it on the bed, towel, some type of cover, as you see right there, so it doesn't damage the screen. You want to put your brackets in to your new brackets of your TV mount, and you want to make sure you get your washer and your screw together. So a washer and a screw, and that's the washer right there. And whenever you buy this, it comes with different types of screws. You just got to see which type of screw fits in your TV. So I'm putting my brackets together right now. Tighten it up. It's 4 holes that you line that up with. And once you tighten that up, you're ready to go to the next step and try to find your stud. And this is the brand that I use right here, Stud Finder. I just bought it at Home Depot. Zircon. And I had to test it and make sure it was a good stud finder. So yes, I did check it on myself. I stud myself, you know. But enough of the jokes. Trying to find the stud finder, and here was just reading all studs everywhere I went. So I was like, does this thing even work? So I had to test it on the other wall and see for myself if the machine was just not. And there you go. There you go. It showed me that it actually did work. So, felt comfortable enough to go ahead and start marking my spots. And right there, I'm showing you guys the levels. You don't need a level no more like back in the day. It levels it for you when you put it on the wall. And this is what I'm going to use to mark my holes. Well, I used the box cutter to mark my holes. Right there, I show the box cutter for a quick second. And you actually have to use a drill bit to drill through this holes. That screw right there is not going to do it for you all the time. I'm sure as hell that didn't work for me. I had to use a drill bit just to drill through those through the studs. Especially to put your toggle bolts in there. You can put your screws in there with the studs, but it just doesn't give like a strong supportive fit. So I like to, I use the drill bit to put the toggle bolts in there and mark my place. Toggle bolts add the extra support to your screw. And you don't want your TV mount kind of tight, you want it securely tight for sure. And right there, I'm trying to get my toggle bolts in there right now. Alright, now that I got my TV mount in place, time to put the bracket on. And it's like 2 Allen wrenches, 1 on each side. And you'll soon have to readjust the Allen wrenches after you put the TV to have your TV slanted how you desire. Continue to use the Allen wrench, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Tighten it up, both ends. I was just doing some extra tightening right there. Alright, now here I'm just showing you guys how many screws. There's 3 on each side on the mount itself. And the bracket, like I said, I said 1, but it's actually 2. I do apologize. So it's 2 on each side on the bracket. And now it's time to test my strength. Put the 75-incher up.
See if I got it.
Let's see if I still got it. Yes, don't make fun of me, but I did struggle a lot. But hey, struggle makes perfection.
Got the TV
Let's
up.
skip through all the struggle. It was a real hassle, but I got it up there. And now that I got it up there, we gotta put the 2 screws, 1 on each side, to support the bottom of the bracket. So the brackets that I put on the TV in the beginning of the video has 2 hooks on the top. And you hook it up to the top of the bracket on the wall. And now you need the 2 screws on the bottom to support it. It was hard getting the angle back there. But I did what I did and made it work. But man, was it a hassle for sure. Get done with that, head to the other side, and complete the process. And once you get these 2 screws done, I mean, that's pretty much it. Your TV is secured, but then you also have to remember that you have to loosen up the Allen wrenches so it slants the way that you want to. Loosen and tighten them up. But hey, that's the TV mount installed and successfully installed. That's how you do it, baby. The Handyman out.